In this video, I'm going to show you how to rotate a document in DocHub. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open up that document, and then you have two options. You could either go over here, top right, and you want to click on those three lines, and from here, you want to go to Actions, hover over that, and hover over Rotate Pages, and select how you want to rotate. So, for example, I'm going to do 90 degrees clockwise. I'm going to click on it, and there we go. It's going to rotate, okay? Now, if you have any comments, form fields, or annotations, it's going to basically prompt you that you first have to either remove those, or it's going to basically destroy all of them if you want to rotate your document. So just know that, of course, that's going to happen if you have them. So if I just show you really quickly, I'm going to type in hello over here. There we go. And then I'm going to just try and rotate it right now. So I'm going to go to rotate pages. Oops, there we go. As you can see, this is the message. You can still continue and rotate, or do destroy annotations and rotate, okay? So that's the two options you actually have. Now, the second thing you could do is you could do the following. So you could go to the top left over here. You can click on this button to show pages, and you can also rotate pages over here. So we can use this page rotation tool down here at the bottom. First, select the page like one, or if you try to rotate the whole document, just hold down your shift key, click on the first one, click on the last one like that when you hold down your shift key, and then just rotate over here, select whatever you want to do. So I'm going to do all pages 90, and there we go. That's going to do the trick. So that's the options you have. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.